Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vine leaves stuffed with rice. We will begin by gathering our fresh ingredients, including tender vine leaves and fragrant herbs. Then, we will prepare a savory rice filling, perfectly seasoned with spices and a hint of lemon. Next, I will guide you through the simple steps of rolling each leaf into a neat parcel. Finally, we will cook them until they are wonderfully tender and ready to enjoy. To create our delicious filling, start by rinsing 1 cup of short-grain rice until the water is completely clear. Next, finely chop 1 large onion, a generous bunch of fresh parsley, and some fresh mint. In a bowl, combine the rinsed rice, chopped herbs, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a blend of spices such as allspice. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a pinch of salt and black pepper for perfect balance. Now for the rolling. First, blanch your fresh vine leaves in hot water for about 1 minute to make them pliable. Lay a softened leaf flat on a clean surface, with the shiny side facing down. Place approximately 1 teaspoon of the rice filling near the stem end. Carefully fold the bottom edge over the filling, then fold in the sides. Finally, roll the leaf tightly from bottom to top, forming a neat, compact cylinder. To cook your delicious vine leaves, arrange them snugly in layers within a sturdy pot. Next, pour over a flavorful liquid made from water, fresh lemon juice, and a generous drizzle of olive oil. Place a heat-proof plate directly on top of the leaves to keep them submerged and prevent them from unraveling during cooking. Simmer gently for approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes, or until the rice is perfectly tender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.